Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just recently got this camera I'm using here to record, a Gopro Max, from a friend. He said he changed the platform, he's using a different camera now, so I got it for a quite good price. And yesterday I went for a walk with my family to test the camera the first time. This camera records 360-degree footage, so when I upload it on YouTube, like this video now, you can actually, in the YouTube app, tilt your phone and see the surroundings. So you see me sitting on the balcony now, on the edge of the balcony, and if you turn your camera around, you will see my village. You will see the cars passing by. Over there are some children playing. These neighbors are still sleeping because they had a birthday party yesterday. So this is my first post now. I never walked with this kind of camera before. So if you have any complaints, let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, of course, let me know as well, and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and like my content. I'm happy that you're here, and I hope you come back more often. Wish you a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Yeah, but you jumped. Das. Didn't bring my wallet. I'm a native here, I don't need to have any idea of it. Huh? Why I pay what? Which card? You know get the ID. No. Nicht so laut wie der Sigi, aber der hat ja am Schaffen nie was zum tun. So viel Beerle, da gar nicht, Beerle. Blackberries. Mehr hinter. Schatz, komm, Siegfried möchte fotografieren. Hast du Angst oder was? Oder was? entlang.
Ja, dit gaat nog wel.
Nicht haben.
Da kann man auf der rechten Seite der Hilde. Da von der linken Seite der Hilde.
Sind wir so weit schon?
Der Plan war, dass wir.
Baby, get back!
Weißt du, wenn ich heute nichts anderes kriege?
That's live on YouTube. Nicht kaputt, Baby. Nicht kaputt.